Right, so now we are going to create the remaining entities. So we have just finished with the product entity, that is this. So we are now going to focus on the next one. So now let's try to create per category. So we repeat that same command, php bin console make entity. Then the name, we are now going to call it category. So no, then the fields for the category entity is not going to be much actually. We need category name. We also need category description. So in description is going to be text. So these are the only fields. You just hit enter again. So now we have created the category. So same things which we are going to repeat for the other entities. So the next entity we are going to create is going to be order. All right, that is the order entity. So to do that, we just need to make same command. So we'll call it order. So the field, the first field is going to be user name. That is the person that is making the order. It's going to be string. Then next, we are going to need user email. So after that, we are now going to need the address of the user. So we'll say user address. All right, so now we have the three fields. So next is that same order supposed to have like total, that is total amount. So we can say total. So total is supposed to be plot. Then its total should also be not null. Then after that, we are going to need payment method. So payment method. So this payment method should be string as well, and it should also be not null. Then we are going to need payment status. That means if the payment is confirmed. All right. So this is also going to be string and also not null. All right. So these fields are what we need currently. Then also we can add some few more. All right. Therefore, admin can be able to check on the status. So we are going to check on pending. So we can create something like is pending. That's another field. So this is going to be boolean type by default. Then nullable, yes, it can be nullable. Then next, we are going to need another one which is shipped. This is also bool and it's also nullable, just like the other one. So we'll repeat that same for the other remaining one, which is delivered. Then we need another one, which is called is processed. All right, so after this, we are going to need another item, which is order reference. So order reference is going to be string. Then this is also not nullable, like this. All right. So currently, these are the only fields we need. if it is required, then we can be able to add more later. All right, so we are done. You just hit enter. So that is for order. Then next we are going to do for cart history. So let's clear this. So make entity. So this entity, we are going to call it cart history, like this. Hit enter. So for the cart history, where we are going to be storing all the cart histories. So we are going to need product name. So this is going to be string, which is also not nullable. Then we are going to need product price. But product price, yes, let's just go this way. Then nullable, not null also. Then we're also going to need quantity. So the quantity is going to be integer. All right, then it's also not null. So after that, we are going to need subtotal. So subtotal is supposed to be plot. Then we are going to make it not nullable also. That's subtotal. All right, then we are going to add another one also, which is order reference. So order reference is going to be string, not nullable also. All right, so these are the fields we need. Then we just hit enter. That is for the cart history. All right, so now we can check on the available entities we created. We have cart history, we have category, we have order, then we have product. All right, so in the next lecture, we are going to create some relationship between these entities. So here we have come to the end of this lecture.